What's up, guys? We're going to show you multiple ways to watch 360 videos on YouTube with and without a VR headset. So of you guys might not have one. Now, the easiest way pretty much anyone can do that has a mobile phone or tablet is go to YouTube on their official app and select a 360 video. We have some up on our channel here, Family Channel Go. And you can select the video and you can enjoy it right off the gate by just moving your phone around up and down and left and right, watching it in 360. Or you can take your screen and drag it around with your finger, whichever way you want to see in the 360 view. It's pretty cool. You can actually also do this on PC, so I'll be showing you guys here in a minute, and with the VR headset, which Cash will show us here. So, the important thing to remember is if you want to watch it in 360 on your PC, you need to be using Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Opera browsers. Safari does not support YouTube 360 videos, so if you're watching on a Mac, make sure you're using a browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft, or Opera, because it does not work in Safari. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to watch a 360 video on the PC. So you select the 360 video, and then in the bottom right you click Settings, and you adjust the quality. At the very top it will be the highest quality settings you can make. And then you can realize you can click and drag with your mouse all the way across the screen, up, down, left, right, all over in the full 360 degrees. And watch your 360 footage. You also have this option in the top left that you can click the arrows and the little circle that can move it up, down, left, and right within the 360 degrees. So there you have it. It's pretty easy. And we're going to show you how to watch one in the VR here. You get your phone out and you go pull up a 360 video. And you go to Settings, and on the bottom right, I will show you here on the screen, on the bottom right of it, you click the little icon that looks kind of like a VR headset. It's got two circles. You select that, and then you'll see two sections of the video. And then what do?
Put it on.
Put it on. Put that in there. Now the VR headsets, there's different kinds, so some of them might be slightly different, but this one you just, yeah, you are. And bought some flat. So you take it, you put it in there like that, because you want it to line up with each of the parts for your eyes to see. And also you want to make sure you adjust the settings quality to be the highest quality, so you get the best view and it's the best quality. So we're going to kick it off here. Alright. What do you see?
I see the ocean.
See the ocean?
Like.
What if you look up?
The sky.
The sky? What if you look down?
The rock.
So, if you're in a VR headset, it's one of the coolest ways to see it in 360.
And the same thing.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Hope we helped you figure out how to watch 360 videos on YouTube. Go ahead and give us a like, subscribe for more 360 and travel related stuff. Thanks again. See you guys.
Bye bye.
My wife is dancing in the background. What?
Ow,
What's up, guys?
ow.
What's got